Hey guys, RoonPicker here from that lock picking video, and today I got another unboxing for you, and I got Roon Jr. here as well. He over here smiling. Yeah, you are. Alright, this one is from Average Lock Picker, and so today we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what he sent us. You like that lock? Is it? Yeah? Can you say ball? Say ball. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a lot of goodies. So I actually was only gonna do we were doing a 3 for 3. I sent him 3, he's gonna send me 3, but it looks like he sent me way more than that. So I got this first one, if I can get the key back in. There we go. This one is Shallow by the Average Picker. This is one of his challenge lock. What's this one? This one is Ping Me by Jeffrey Post. Then we got Dot by Average Picker. I think this is a Weezer cylinder, actually. This looks like, yeah, I think this is the same one, same cylinder that the Coma is made out of. This one's a little stiff to turn, but the key works really nicely. Then we got this Sergeant Asa Abloy. Ooh, this got some nasty bidding. This is Bruised Ego by Georgia Jim. I should, let me know. I've been thinking about doing a creator feature. If I had multiple challenge locks from a creator, because I think this will be my 3rd or 4th challenge lock from Georgia Jim, and I think I've picked like 3 or 4 from the French kid. So I thought maybe about doing like a creator feature. This one is Latrine Duty by Fast Charlie. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 challenge locks. Oh, and we got this baggie here. Ooh, I think this is from Albert LaBelle. Yeah, it is. This one's mummified. Lucifer. Now this looks like a nasty challenge lock from what I saw. I don't remember all the pins in here, but I remember it took quite a long time. You want to play with that one? And we got a nice little baggie for it. Thank you, Average Picker. I feel like I need to send you some more, but let me know if you want more, because I'd be turning and burning these things real fast, and I'll hopefully get your address right this time. But hopefully you guys don't open that for me. I don't want to see that, please. You can play with this one. If you guys like this content, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.